Comparison or relational operators.
A equal to 5, B equal to 9. Now,
Yes.
A plus B.
Hmm.
Print. Oh no, we are doing comparison operator, not this one.
Yes.
So 1 second. I have that open. So okay.
Yes, these are the one. Equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. All these.
Do I have to use print statement?
Yes.
Okay.
Because this will not do anything. It will not serve your purpose, right?
Yes.
Okay, then.
A is less than B. About print A. Print 1 about B equal to plus print.
Less than equal to. So
Less than
less than is basically less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than equal to is 5 will also be included in it. So that way.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's
Yeah,
the
only
basic, basic difference between the two. So when you'll make the programs, no, like codes, or maybe a simple program, there you will see, like while we want number of chances and all those things. Currently, you are just doing the practice. That's why you're feeling. But when you apply a proper app development or game development, there these are very, very useful. Whether you want to include the fifth chance or not, and so on. That way. Yeah, and
fifth
not.
chance.
Yeah, like suppose we are designing a game and we say, okay, I need 5 chances in this game. So you will use the comparison operator, like less than 5 chances or greater than 5 chances or like that. Okay, anyways, so do you see what are the results? You have taken two numbers, that is A5 and B9. And then when you said, okay, A is equal to B, the system is giving you the answer as false.
False.
Right? That means these two numbers are not equal. Correct?
Yes.
Then less than. So it's true. Yes, the first number is less than the second number. Correct. Right? So if you see, all of these things are done beautifully. Right? Now suppose if you want to test your less than and equal to, maybe you can take one or two numbers same. So that way you can do it.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Plus, in this only, if you want to modify, you can take 3 numbers and make a combination as well. Okay, but that we'll do it at the later part. Now, I want you to answer few questions for me. Okay.
Sure.
So now we will write a simple program to find the last digit. So for example, the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to write a program which displays only the last digit. Only the last digit. Okay.
Okay. So if I go, suppose,
wait. Remove the C from here. Remove the C from here.
Got it.
Yeah. And remove item, the last line, and save this program. Okay. Make it, because when you refer, all your files should be there. What all you did in your class number 2. Okay. So this is it. Now create a new file and in that we'll do it. Okay. Write the question. The question is, write a program to find the last digit. So that's your first. In this only, we'll do 3, 4 questions. Okay.
Got it. So if I define
Okay, so I've got the number. Now I want you to print the last digit of this number. How will you do it? What will be the logic? The logic I want to see now. And logic is from the lines, I mean, from the 2-3 classes, whatever we have done till now.
So you want the last digit of this.
Okay, for example, just run this program.
Sure.
I think there's a dot, maybe that's why.
No, there is this problem right here.
Oh. Invalid, see, dot.
Ah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, enter the number, any number. 2-digit, 3-digit. Okay, I want you from this number, the last digit to be displayed. That is 0.
0. Okay.
Yes. So what is the logic that we will apply?
Print.
Okay, print.
Number, and that too. Last digit, right? 0.
Printing we'll do, but before that, a logic has to come. How we'll fetch a last digit from any number? What is the concept? Operators. I've given you hint also. Okay, I'll tell. Fine. So we'll create another variable. It can be any variable. So you can say last digit equal to. Now you'll write the variable name. That's your number. Last digit equal to number. And percentage 10.
So, okay. So percentage
10.
10th.
Yes. Then you will print the next line. The last digit of the number is, and give the variable name last digit. Let's see whether it prints the last digit. Okay, last digit, fine. That's also fine. Okay, let's put 50 or whatever number you want to put. Yeah, it's giving 0. Now, why this happened? I mean, why I have taken 10 only? Why not any other number? I could have taken 2 or something like that, right? Why 10 only?
Because this percentage one is the one that brings in the remainder, right?
Exactly. Because then you need the remainder. Here, what we wanted, we need the last digit, right? That's why we've taken percentage. Now you try the other way around. Like instead of percentage, try to put 2/. Yes. And then see the difference.
So instead of percentage, 2/.
Yes. And now run and see what answer it gives.
7. So it gives you front.
Right? So
First
if the
number.
question is reversed, give me the first digit. Then you'll use this.
Okay, and if it's remainder, then you leave the last one. Okay.
Yes. So write it again. Last digit equal to, and then number percentage 10. And put the same number. For same number, you'll see the difference, right? And you have to print it 2 times. Wait. You have to print, otherwise
okay.
only, yeah. Last digit 1 and yeah. change the, yes, this thing. Okay. So see. Correct?
Yes.
Easy? Okay.
Mhm.
Now let's